how to download all media shortcuts on iPhone with iOS 17. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download all media shortcuts on iPhone. So first thing first, simply head over to any of your browser and simply search in for the theme point and just click on the first website that pops up and simply click on it. Once you click on it, all you have to do is simply click on this hamburger icon over here and just head over to iOS shortcuts. Just skip the ad from over here, and once you're inside here, simply click on this second link, that is all media downloader. Once you click on it, scroll down all the way down until you see the install shortcut button. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to set up the shortcuts by simply clicking on it. You can also skip it or simply click on next like this, and that is exactly how you can easily download all media shortcuts on iPhone with iOS 17. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.